After a long, stressful day, I often find myself scrolling on social media.
Have you heard about Bitw?
No, what's that?
Bitw is a once daily treatment that can cure your addiction to social media.
But what does it do?
It's a solution you can't refuse.
Wait, what?
Where am I?
Bitw stands for Booted into the Woods.
Where am I? Where are we? How did we get here?
Everyone.
Pause. Social media can feel like a real bear trap. That's why you need to get Bitw.
I love being Bitwood.
I love being Bitwood.
Call 1-800-BITW so you can get your free trial to end your addiction to social media.
Get off your phone. Don't be a screenager. Give in to the woods.